Now, I'd like to show you a little trick. It's about the dispensing of the ground coffee, possible scattering, and the positioning of the portafilter in the LIGRE siji. At the back, you have a small silicone attachment that you can remove. You can rotate it by 180 degrees. This allows you to adjust the angle of the portafilter in the grinder. Let me show it to you. With a different angle. We remove the portafilter. Rotate the silicone attachment by 180 degrees. Position the portafilter again, and you can see the difference. This allows you to minimize the scattering of the ground coffee caused by static charge.